If you're seeing a Chrome error 403, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step, so you can get back to the page you're trying to open. A 403 error usually means the server understood your request, but it's refusing access. That can happen because of a bad cache, a wrong URL, a conflicting extension, a VPN, or even your IP address. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. First, refresh the page using a hard reload. On Windows, press Ctrl and F5. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and R. This forces Chrome to bypass the local cache and load the page fresh from the server. If the page still shows error 403, take a close look at the address bar and check the URL carefully. Make sure there are no typos, extra slashes, or outdated page paths at the end of the web address. Even a small mistake in the URL can trigger a 403 error. Next, clear Chrome's cache and cookies. Open Chrome, then press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on Windows, or use the equivalent shortcut on Mac. In the clearing menu, make sure you select cookies and other site data, as well as cache and images and files. Then, click Delete Data. After that, completely restart Chrome and try visiting the website again. This step often fixes access issues caused by corrupted site data or outdated login sessions. Now test the site in Incognito mode. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and N. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and N. This opens a private browsing window with extensions usually disabled by default. Try loading the same website in that window. If the page works in Incognito, the problem is probably caused by a browser extension or damaged browser data. If it still fails, then the issue is likely external, such as your network IP, a VPN, or the website's own server restrictions. If Incognito worked, the next step is to disable conflicting extensions. Click the three dots in Chrome, go to Extensions, and then choose Manage Extensions. From there, switch off any recently added extensions, especially ad blockers, VPN extensions, cookie managers, or script mockers. These tools can sometimes interfere with website access and cause a 403 block. After disabling them, reload the target page and check if the error is gone. If it is, you found the cause. If you're still getting blocked, move on to your network and IP address. First, turn off your VPN or proxy completely if you're using one. Many websites block known VPN IP ranges because they're often associated with automated traffic or spam. After disabling the VPN, refresh the page and test again. If that doesn't help, restart your router. Unplug it from power for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This can force your internet provider to assign you a fresh IP address, which may remove the block if your current address was flagged. At this point, one of these steps usually solves the issue. The key is to start with the simple browser fixes first, then work your way toward the network-level causes. That way, you're not wasting time guessing. If the page still won't open after all of these steps, the problem may be on the website side, and you may need to wait and try again later, or contact the site owner. If this tutorial helped you fix Chrome error 403, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video on how to fix 403 errors on specific websites, mobile Chrome, or Windows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.